Giving is as important as saving or spending. Are you making sure your kids understand that? Hi, welcome to the Money Talk with Miriam. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of giving. But before that, let me just remind you to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about financial fundamentals made simple. So let's jump to it. Why do you think giving is important? We frequently forget that giving is as important as saving or spending. By giving, I mean donating. Not only money, but time and energy if donating money isn't possible. Sharing the experience of giving with your children from an early age will show them that they can make a positive impact to society. Let your kid pick a charity or even someone they know who needs a little help and schedule time to donate money or energy to this cause. Children naturally love to help others, so nurturing their generosity will make them grow up appreciating what they have and will encourage them to carry on giving in years to come. Also, by giving, you will teach your kids that having the power to improve the life of others is a privilege that comes with its own sense of obligation and social responsibility. This activity will strengthen their own personal values, and with time, they will see how giving doesn't just affect the people that they're giving to, but the giver as well. Knowing that you're helping others is hugely empowering, and it makes you feel happier and more fulfilled. I would love to hear how you give back to society and encourage your kids to do the same. On my end, my husband and we collaborate with the local Ronald McDonald House, donating money and also participating in the activities with our families. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your kids a solid financial foundation while having fun.